March 11, a day so bright. We celebrate plumbing, it's only right. From pipes to taps and drains below, plumbers work where we can't go. They bring us water clean and pure, a service we can't ignore for sure. From homes to schools, they pave the way for a healthier, safer world today. World Plumbing Day, let's shout hooray for the ones who keep our world okay. With clean water, sanitation true, they work to make life better for me and you. Since 2010, the world has known the plumbing heroes who've always grown. They keep the pipes running clear and strong, making sure our water flows all day long. From cleaning drains to fixing leaks, they battle disease so no one peaks. Sanitation's key, it's always there, helping communities breathe fresh air. World Plumbing Day, let's shout hooray for the ones who keep our world okay. With clean water, sanitation true, they work to make life better for me and you. They save energy, keep things green, efficient plumbing, that's the scene. With innovations, they help conserve a future where all resources preserve. Every drop counts, they know it's true, they're making sure we all pull through. So here's to plumbers, let's all say thank you for your work every day. From homes to cities, they play their part. With every pipe, they make a start. Access to clean water is a human right, and plumbers ensure it's in our sight. They fight the risks of waterborne ills by managing waste with steadfast skills. Plumbing's a key to better health, improving lives and sustaining wealth. World Plumbing Day, a shout will say for the ones who help us every day. Clean water, health, and safe design, we're grateful for plumbing so divine. So here's to plumbers, far and near, we thank you all, loud and clear, for bringing water, for keeping us well. Your work's the story we're here to tell.